Welcome to Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, where orchard favorites thrive in the desert. Meet the Blenheim Royal Apricot, also known as Shipley's Blenheim, the gold standard of apricots and California's #1 dried apricot. This moderate grower reaches 10 to 20 feet tall and loves full sun or part shade with well-draining soil. By June through July, you'll be harvesting medium to large golden fruit with a bright orange cheek. The flavor? Perfectly balanced. Juicy, rich, sweet with a hint of tart and notes of honey. It's a freestone, making it ideal for fresh eating, drying, or canning. It needs about 400 chill hours or less, is self-fruiting, but produces even more with a pollinator nearby. Hardy in zones 7 to 9, this classic apricot is a must-have for home orchards. Visit Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something sweet and timeless.